Welcome to another MOBOTIX video tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to configure the MOBOTIX Certified Container Code Recognition app. First, we need to activate the certified apps. For that, we need to go to the Setup menu, scroll down and click on the Certified App Settings, check the box next to Arming to activate, and press the Set button. Now we need to find the container app. Scroll down until you locate it, check the box to select it, and then press the Set button to activate. Then you need to locate the app again and click on the box next to the app and hit Set. Once more, scroll down to the app and click directly on the app itself. Now let's configure the app. Read size, type, save code delay, and the working mode are the first things you need to set depending on your needs. MX message and overlay are next to be configured so they can be used as events. Also, you're able to view the code whenever it's been recognized in the live image. Next up, we're going to set up the recognition areas. If needed, you can set more than one. Select if it's going to be inclusion or exclusion area and then press Edit Rectangle. Select the area in the image, and as soon as you are satisfied, press the check button. Under List Management, you can control the code white and black list. This can be used to allow and block certain containers from arriving or leaving the premises. Under Video, you can select the OCR and Overview sensor, resolution, and the character height you are expecting. Next, you need to select the complexity of the code. Now, coming to reporting, we offer many different options for you to choose to send the recognized data, spanning from the simple MX message to MOBOTIX Hub, XML, JSON, and many more. Under Advanced, you can view the log file and select where it will be displayed. Also, you can show the calibration grid if needed. The configuration is now complete. When everything is set correctly, the app will function as seen in the following active video clip, demonstrating the accuracy and speed at which the containers are recognized. I would like to thank you for watching, enjoy the demo clip, and we will see you next time.